Well, boys, we're at it again. We got the, this is 2 days in a row riding. I actually never do this. So nice. Putting the time in when it's not bitter cold. So, gonna enjoy the day. We got the XRC back there and the XX. I don't know if you can see it or not. XMR. And we're gonna get rolling. We got a couple guys that we're meeting up. And we're gonna try and jump the XRC today. And the XX. Do a little bit of suspension tuning. And we'll see how it goes. See you there. Whoop! Go climb. There's a bird number to add to the wall.
Couple of them. I swore we were gonna take it easy on this old girl.
Allison's like, I gotta ride this thing like I stole it.
After she just told me right there that she's not doing jumps. You go ahead. I'm not doing jumps. And then, no, fuck it. She got like about fucking 6 feet of air on the one jump.
Yeah.
Comes racing down this strip here.
Launches her.
Oh.
Where did you land anyway?
I don't know. I bet you Allison definitely had no shit moment. Well, the oh shit moment was right before that. I'm like, oh, I got quite a bit of air.
Oh, I had the
Look at that. Yeah, that's where she hit, right here. Well, let's get to fixing this throttle because we're not going anywhere unless we fix it. So we'll see what we can rig up. Fixed. You know what we're gonna do too? We're even we'll trim these off, make it look nice and pretty.
It's called the lazy throttle.
Yeah.
It's thumb ease. It's all about the leverage.
Nice. I like it. So the XP is gonna take a little rip over here. We got Allison all fixed up. She launched her pretty hard off here. I didn't get it on camera. She landed about here. Broke the throttle on the 570. Needless to say. Quick little trail fix here with some pliers. You guys already saw that. And we're up and rolling again. That XP 1000 just rips, boys. You want a good trail riding machine, good all-around machine? Look at this beast. The XRC Life. Oh, that thing just sounds angry. XP Life. That's a good unit. Look at the suspension working on that thing. Like, these aren't easy whoops either. Oh yeah, let her rip. Let her rip. Woo! Little side kick there. You know, little side kick there that kicked sideways and then it hooked up on him. A little bit of landscaping. Oh, that is great. Good unit, bud.
Oh yeah.
You know, it's pretty crazy that you're married to that, eh? I know, you're like a mild version of him, eh? Woo. Whoa, buddy! That is some serious hang time. Just ripping. Buddy, that thing's ripping. That's dialed in.
Night and day.
Yeah? Oh, XX Life. Nice. Just a ripping. Good to get the XX back in the fleet, boys. I think it's a good unit. Solid. Just ripping her hard today, boys. So, what else you gonna do in the wintertime, eh? Well, we'll see what else we get into today. Larry, you're missing out. Where are ya? Oh yeah? What a cool whoop section.
I say that last time we launched
Yeah.
Where's the button right here?
Where's the button?
There should be a button here.
Oh, he's too cheap.
It's not a turbass.
He's not. It's not a turbass.
Sorry. We just got little straps here.
Yeah. Can-Am neoprene strap.
Oh, you know what it might be?
What?
It's actually coming from behind you. He's in it.
No, but it's definitely in the footwell.
Well,
Hey,
I
Brian,
can't see anything.
give him the camera for a minute.
well, I gotta grab my helmet.
Yeah, you gotta go for a tour in it. You ready?
Yep. Handle. Not that one. We know about that one.
But at least we got it.
So GoPro just died. But I'll tell you what, this thing, woo, she's dialed in now, boys. That was a hell of a ride. And she's taking it really nice, launching nice.
You gotta fuck Brian. I think I only got one left.
Oh, did?
So, yep. So we're gonna get to lunch now. See you later. Oh, buddy. You guys are hilarious.
How you like my burnout?
XRC stock. Don't worry, Moto haven't got it. Let's Every camera's dead. There we go. Sorry, boys. Welcome to the cold. No cameras last. It's all these batteries, you know. When it gets cold outside. I mean, I literally have them charging in the X3 at all times. Just to get the footage. See? That's hanging out the door. Normally that's in the glove box. You get the point. So, great ride today. Didn't break anything. I'll tell you what. This X3 is one solid unit. 2 days of beating the snot out of her, and she's mint. Everything is good. I didn't even, look at that. I didn't even break a belt today. And we're going sport mode high range for a bit there. Just pinning her. So, don't forget, like, subscribe, share, you know, down the doobly-doo down there. Make sure you subscribe. Helps you out. Lets me know that you're actually watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't, make sure you hit the thumbs down twice. 2 times. Make sure you dislike it twice. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Probably when it's warmer though. So till it gets warmer. Cheers. Whoop.
Deal's done now.
Not necessarily.
Already talked to her. The deal's done now. Put through that, sign final paperwork.
So why are we trading in the XRC, Jake?
Boring.
Boring.
Yeah.
See, we're, you know what? We just decided, screw this. We're gonna wait for the turbo RRR.
Yeah, we need 3 R's.
Yeah, need 3 Rs.
Yeah. RR isn't enough.